Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Today I'm making a taco casserole perfect for this hectic holiday season. You're going to start off with some crushed tortilla chips, and this is about half a bag. And then on top of this, I'm putting my ground turkey mixture. You could use beef as well. I made this with some taco seasoning, some corn, and some black bean. And now I'm spreading some sour cream on top. I originally saw this recipe on Mickey's channel, My Bashful Life. I'll leave her channel linked below, and she has some great recipes on there. And I've sort of customized this to be to my family's tastes. So on top of that, I'm just spreading some cherry tomatoes. And some chopped olives. And topping the whole thing with some shredded cheese. This makes a great freezer meal, so you could put this in the freezer, or if you're eating it the night of, you could just put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, and it's so good. The kids really love this one. Serve it with a little bit of salsa, some chopped green onion, and some sour cream, and it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for joining me today on The Daily Connoisseur, and I'll see you soon. Bye!